Hey there, fitness fam. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, man, I just don't have time to hit the gym? Well, guess what? Today, I'm gonna prove you wrong. Because all you need is 15 minutes, a little bit of space in your room, and that burning desire to become the best version of yourself. Yep, this is your 15-minute fat-burning cardio workout at home. No equipment, no excuses, just pure energy and results. Fire! So, are you ready to sweat? Let's get started. Let's be real. Most people say they can't work out because they're too busy. Work, school, family, stress, I get it. Life's crazy. But here's the truth. You don't need hours in the gym to burn fat. You just need consistency, intensity, and a plan that actually works. Studies show that short, intense workouts, like the one we'll do today, can burn more calories in less time than long, slow cardio. So even if your schedule is packed, 15 minutes can still make a huge difference. All right, let's break it down. We're going for 5 exercises, each for 40 seconds with 20 seconds rest. We'll repeat the circuit 3 times. Grab a water bottle, towel, and let's roll. Jumping jacks, 40 seconds. Perfect warm-up move. Get that heart rate up, loosen your body. Keep your arms strong and your core tight. Don't just move. Feel the energy building up inside you. Rest, 20 seconds. High knees, 40 seconds. Run in place, drive those knees as high as you can. Pump your arms, stay light on your feet. This move torches calories and boosts your metabolism instantly. You'll feel your body heating up. That's your fat crying. Rest, 20 seconds. Squat jumps, 40 seconds. Now we build power. Drop into a squat, explode up, land softly. This engages your legs, glutes, and burns major fat. If jumping's too hard, just do regular squats. Modify, but don't quit. Rest, 20 seconds. Mountain climbers, 40 seconds. Get into push-up position and run those knees towards your chest. This one works your core, arms, and cardio all at once. Keep your form tight and remember to breathe. Rest, 20 seconds. Burpees, 40 seconds. Yeah, I know, the name that everyone fears. But trust me, burpees are the king of fat-burning moves. Go down, kick back, push up, and jump. Each rep pushes you closer to your goal. Rest, 20 seconds. That's 1 round done. Take a minute's break, grab water, and go for 2 more rounds. You can do it. Your body might say no, but your mind says let's go. Here's the science in simple words. This 15-minute cardio uses the principle of HIIT, high-intensity interval training. When you work hard for short bursts and rest in between, your body keeps burning calories even after the workout. That's called the afterburn effect. Your metabolism stays high for hours. Fire! Plus, these moves target all major muscles, legs, core, arms, shoulders, giving you a full body burn. You'll build endurance, increase lung capacity, and improve your heart health, all in just 15 minutes. So yeah, this isn't just a workout. It's your mini fat-burning machine. Lightning! Let me give you some quick pro tips to make this even more effective. Tip 1. Work out first thing in the morning. It jumpstarts your metabolism for the day. Tip 2. Keep a water bottle close and sip small amounts between sets. Tip 3. Play your favorite upbeat music. It boosts motivation like magic. Tip 4. If you're a beginner, go for 30 seconds per move and increase as you get stronger. Tip 5. Pair this with a clean diet. More protein, less sugar, more greens, and you'll see results fast. Remember, fitness is not about perfection. It's about consistency. Listen, if you're doing this workout right now, I want you to know every drop of sweat, every heartbeat, every breath, it counts. You're not just burning fat, you're building discipline. You're proving to yourself that you can start something and finish it. When it gets hard, just remind yourself, pain is temporary, pride is forever. So push through, smile through the burn, and trust the process. Because your best body is built one rep at a time. You got this. And that's your 15-minute fat-burning cardio workout at home. No gym, no fancy machines, just you and your willpower. If you felt the burn today, smash that like button. Drop a comment below with "I'm in" if you're committing to this workout for 7 days straight. And of course, subscribe for more short, powerful workouts every week. Remember, excuses burn 0 calories. So get up, move your body, and make it happen. See you in the next one. Stay fit, stay fierce, and keep that fire alive.